I'm shooting with the Insta360 Luna Ultra with a K&F ND2 through 32 filter. Little police car. How sweet is that? Well, this is what I was looking for. Maybe I'll get one of these, put them in my backyard. What caught my attention riding the other day? These over here. That's what they are. Everybody's got a different name for them. As we walk down to where we need to be at. To put you away, hope I don't lose a K&F filter. Well, I got a choice to make and I'll think about it before I get out of here. It's an 8, that's a 10, that's a 12. Well, I changed my mind. I think I'm just gonna let things go. I still love to get a plant like that, and I'm not sure if it's the right time to do it. Maybe I will. I can always come back a little later to get it. Before I get on out of here, I'm just gonna sit here and think about it. Maybe I'll take a look online to see if Home Depot has one and what the price is. I think they're about the same price. Plants like that are not cheap anymore, but I'm already here. Right there, it averages out to about the same price. Home Depot, $50, $30, $125, $68. That's what they cost. Limelight, Pinnacle, $27. And that's a tree. Well, I am going to get on out of here. I read up on it. I need to know no more. I felt the weight of the wood, and I said to myself, maybe 2x4s by 12s would be better, and put 2 together. I'll just go another season. I'll think it out. I still got all summer long to do what I want. Gimbals in the wind. That's something you have to think about. Do you really want to ride 100 miles per hour in the wind with the gimbal? Well, I'm zoomed. Zoom, zoom, zoom. And we're riding in zoom. I need to ride, then looking at zoom. That's what the tree would look like right there. What I'd be looking to get. I have to think about it. Now, they are pretty. They sure are. But is it worth getting one? That's the thing. I don't know. I'll think about it. And I'll probably go get one. Dig up. Change things out. Keep the sedums below. White on white. You may never know.